Hello, my name is Muhammad Rayhan Brameswara. My student number is 128 and I'm from Enterprise System Class Q. So, in this video, I want to tell you about what happens if a manufacturing company doesn't implement material management module. So, what is manufacturing company? First, we must know what is manufacturing. Manufacturing is a large-scale production of goods that convert raw material, parts, and components into finished product. So, a manufacturing company is any company that uses raw material, part, and component into assemble finished good. Manufacturing company often employ machine or humans to produce the product, and the finished good can be sold directly to consumer or to other manufacturer for the production of more complex products, or to the wholesaler, who distribute the goods to retailers. After that, what is material management? SAP Material Management module is the module that supports the procurement activities in organization, right from the planning and purchasing to inventory management and quality control. This module has several features and functionality that are integrated with the other important modules, like finance and control, sales and distribution, production planning, and the other module. The procurement process consists of chain of events that start from create a purchase requisition, create a purchase order, generating a goods receipt, post invoice verification, and then a quality control activities are set after this step. Thereafter, the payment is sent to vendor for their goods or service. So, basically, primary goal of this module is to make sure that materials are always kept in proper quantities and help the purchasing of goods in a timely and cost-effective way. As we can see, a manufacturing company is producing a finished good from raw material, and before the production process, they previously had to make a purchase of material from supplier or vendor, and when it arrives they must manage those material on their inventory. So that is where this module needs. And what if material management module is not implemented? There will be a lack of data transparency because there is no data integration in this company. Other than that, there is possibility of miscommunication between departments. That happens because of the data is held by the department separately. These two can cause a difficulty in maintaining and managing materials. That can lead to a inventory loss. And then there will be a problem in the production process because the production department didn't know the material is ready or not, and the other department except the production didn't know about the production process. In overall, a company that didn't implement material management module might be able to do it effectively, but not efficiently. In other side, company that implement the material management module will be able to do it effectively and efficiently because the data is integrated between the department, and there will be effective inventory management and reduce unwanted material storage, and also can reduce the inventory loss. After that, reduce material cost by avoiding stocking of unnecessary material. In this module, if we want to make a purchase that previously had already done, we just can copy the document, so we didn't need any of the unnecessary material. After that, manufacturing cycles times are reduced and can be controlled effectively. And the most important things is automatic material management and procurement activities lead to a smoother and effective process. So that's it from me. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.